Welcome to Sri Vidya Academy for Special Education, Learning Made Easy. We will see a magic formula on limits to solve the given problem. The given problem is limit as extends to 0 of cube root of 1 plus sine 32x minus cube root of 1 minus sine 32x divided by x. Options are 0, 64, 64 by 3 and 16. Here is the formula limit as extends to 0 of nth root of 1 plus sin ax minus nth root of 1 minus sin bx divided by x is equal to a plus b by n. We can compare the given problem with this formula. Here n is equal to 3 and a is 32 and b is 32. Even if a and b are different here, we can apply this formula. Here in this given problem, a and b are same. So answer is 64 by 3. That is, when we compare the problem with the formula, here n is 3. That is cube root of. Here it is given as cube root of 1 plus sin 32x. So n is 3 and a and b are 32. So therefore answer is 32 plus 32 by 3, which is equal to 64 by 3, which is in option C. We can approach this problem with the help of L'Hopital's rule also, because when x approaches to 0, the given limit approaches to 0 by 0 form. We know that when a limit approaches to 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity form, we can apply L'Hopital's rule. So that is, we can differentiate numerator and denominator separately. So let us do it in this case and we will verify the answer. Limit as extends to 0 of derivative of this first term, that is cube root of 1 plus sin 32x, is 1 by 3 into 1 plus sin 32x to the power of 1 by 3 minus 1. That is, we are considering this 1 plus sin 32x to the power of 1 by 3. We know that derivative of x to the power of n is nx to the power of n minus 1, and derivative of 1 plus sin 32x is 32 cos 32x. That is, we are applying chain rule. Similarly, derivative of second term here is 1 by 3 into 1 minus sin 32x to the power of 1 by 3 minus 1 into minus 32 cos 32x. Here I have minus sign, and derivative of sin 32x is 32 cos 32x whole divided by 1. That is, it is ignored here. Derivative of x is 1. Now let us apply the limit. That is, let us put x equals 0 in this step. That is, we have 1 by 3 into 1 plus sin 0 here, 32 cos 0 minus 1 by 3, 1 minus sin 0 and minus 32 into cos 0. We know that cos 0 is 1 and sin 0 is 0. After applying the limit and simplification, we get 1 by 3 into 32 here. 32 plus 1 by 3 into 32, that is cos 0 1, and this term is 1 here. 1 plus sin 0 to the power of minus 2 by 3 is 1 here. Therefore answer is 64 by 3. So instead of applying L'Hopital's rule in this case, we can go by the shortcut trick which helps us to solve the problem by saving the time. So here is another formula and another problem. That is, we have this limit as extends to 0 of nth root of 1 plus sin ax minus nth root of 1 minus sin bx divided by mx is equal to a plus b by mn. That is, the difference is we have mx here. That is, we have 2x in the given example. That is, limit as extends to 0 of 10th root of 1 plus sin 13x minus 10th root of 1 minus sin 9x divided by 2x. So we can compare now. Here n is equal to 10 and a is 13 and b is 9 here. We have a plus b by mn. M is 2 and n is 10. That is, 13 plus 9 is 22 and 10 into 2 is 20, which gives us 11 by 5 as the answer. So only the difference between the previous formula and this formula is we have a coefficient of x here, and we have to multiply the denominator by the coefficient of x, that is a plus b by n into m here, that is mn. So hope these two formulas will help us to get the answers quickly.